namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course namhlanje takhelela ishonge rangane. Lo ngata yikhengulika of course na usingo Mr Post na GNU. GNU of course and the Limpopo Poison. Yeah, so I'm sure already previously in a video la nga fana kombiso ko oh yes, it's now confirmed ra beef na khani kombiso ko maybe shonga rangane fika kombela ku rivaleriwa however ku ve na ti suggestion kwala ndeka video ya lewa wo sungula a ku ri hepe maluleke as you can see va nga faka kombisa ku shonga a featuring Mr Post yi suka once, okay, then the other one a ku ri Hendrik kwalana a ku ri Hendrik da nga faka kombisa ku oh if beef is on shonga must team up with Post as you can see kwana, so yes beef you on, so and then ngave the show lokushoku ngwenya ikomisa ko she should team up with Mr Post. The only music selling and enjoyable is beef, especially at the gigin. Akutume shonge or Post is Scorpion Queen or King. New era loading this of course ngafika wa suggesta shona shosho kwalana of course ku category ya beef no never ina power swinene. I was like okay, I was like yeah, if shonga ranga nempela angala ku apologize, yeah, it can be a great idea ku va team up with Hosingo Mr Post va ta beef ina Limpopo Poison GNU ka project yena the future Hosingo, because I feel like look alone in not go be if I'm thinking if you should govern that the power compared to that team, because I show this year you go is and go kahle ever since you win in 2023 to be specific karate. So I think it's a very great suggestion kusuka ka Maluleke lani na Hendrik mko maybe azama ku va feature Hosingo va hlasela once man beef ka project and I think swi nga tirha swinene and swi nga tlhe swi tirha marketing wise va nga ndla mali yo tala ngopfu va nga ndla mali yo tala swinene. Yeah, I think so if not ni nga continue to apologize because ma nga bela ku dlaya loko a ri one. Mina personally shonga ranga na n'favor ku lala this, but I don't think a nga yimela team liya power ya yona a ri one. So yeah, I think future ya beef tlhelo va na beef ya yena ya vona ka project ya yena yi nga va good because of course I'm aware ko swingendleke ya ku beef na sivara pesa rangani mara sweswo the issue ko na maranga phanda na yena yi ta yi ta hi side va kha va beef yena. So I feel like suggestion yo Africa tirhisana Hosingo yi nga fika yi tirha my one makali. So yeah, very good suggestion. Yeah, it's up to her. She must apologize or she's a more commanding tinjinga like a beef la to fana vo Hosingo. Yeah, elesho
Nshangi behind the mic.
de la uva de que hizo de la wifi y uva cámara mere dona prasi jeba y uva kiani ne ko mara chorika ara jo garin ki sama me dire don